In this video, we'll teach you how to find Eneba discount codes. So you just need to open your browser, go to the Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search Eneba discount codes, and you will see a lot of websites that are offering you coupon codes, discount codes for Eneba. But if you ask me, my personal opinion, I prefer the discount website which is called Knoji, so I will show you which one is that. So after the keyword enable discount codes, you need to write Knoji and you need to open the first result, which is eneba.knoji.com, and right here on this website you will find nice discounts for Eneba. For example, 6% off, 13% off. So there are different types of coupons, so you need to choose among them, click get this code right here, and here will be the coupon code. You can copy it and paste it in Eneba website. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.